changing. You can see. Black. Okay, what? Black? Yes. This is. Oh. No, pay attention to this. Areas. Triangle shape. And the depositions of mass on surface of pleura. This is infarction in lungs. More grayish color. Not change color. It's results long time fixation. Formalin hematine. And also some color change, not intensive reddish, just like the picture, the photo. Those infarction due to stopped blood supply, triangle shape, reddish, hemorrhagic or hemorrhagic infarction in lungs, and due to necrosis, pleura always associated involved into the process, or together with a piece of lungs. And on surface of pleura, you can find result of inflammation. This is mass. It's fibrinous inflammation on surface. Not fibrin, from the surface. Next, it's intestine ball. More change in this ball.
Irregular.
And what color?
Pale, whitish.
Black. Because it's gangrene. It's gangrene. Those the causes, the causative agent can be ischemia, and according to causes, it can be infarction. But due to presence contact with the open air, the necrotic area transformed to the black, grayish black color, and this is necrosis as named gangrene. Wet gangrene because microorganisms live into the bowel, and also cannot be dry gangrene in this case. Nose, next, to brain. Pay attention to this is brain. Those, this is area of necrosis. To compare the two sides, left and right side. This is normal, the nucleus, subnucleus, the nucleus, hyposphere, hemisphere, nucleus present, in this is case destroyed. The some grayish mass. In brain, always only liquefactive type of necrosis possible due to physiological properties of the cells, physiologically properties of the organ. If patient not died, in this is case patient died, those and can be found, this is process. If patient not died, and this is specimen show the cyst, post-infarction cyst. Not depend causes, necrosis in brain, outcome of necrosis, positive outcome of necrosis in brain, cyst formation. If it's necrosis, this is color of cyst. If necrosis due to infection. If necrosis due to hemorrhage, also cyst formed, but the cyst contain and the wall of the cyst brownish color. Why? If hemorrhage happened, why cyst become brownish color? Because hemosiderin. Hemosiderin, which is studied the previous class. The hemosiderin, due to the destruction of red blood cells, and those hemosiderin can be into the fluids and it can be in the wall of this cyst. The brown cyst called. Brown cyst is after hemorrhage. It's also due to hemorrhage also necrosis happen. Those infarction, spleen infarction 1, spleen infarction 2nd. What shape, what color? Wedge shape? Pale. Those no anastomosis in spleen, and those in spleen necrotic area white or pale color. No, triangle shape due to the type of the blood supply, magistral main type of the blood supply. This is near necrosis skeletal muscles due to typhoid fever disease. Typhoid fever disease, salmonella typhi are the positive agent of this disease. Bacteremia, we said, bacteria produce toxins, and this is toxins destroyed muscles, lead to the muscles, skeletal muscles necrosis. And this is specific type, coagulative type necrosis, subtype. Coagulative type necrosis, centers or waxy necrosis. Waxy because consistent become more elastic. To compare it with the other kinds, coagulative necrosis. Those myocardial infarction. This is myocardial infarction. This is area necrotized, more grayish color, and again, grayish color is result long time fixation and hemorrhage, not the blood, aggregate together with the acid hematine, acid formalin, and lead to the formalin hematine formation, which has the more grayish color. Now this is, we'll discuss about the infarction into the heart. Infarction, this is irregular shape, pale with a hemorrhagic crown. Nose low, foot, gangrene of foot. What type of gangrene?
Dry.
Dry, it's clear because in case of dry gangrene and case of coagulation necrosis, the necrotic area are reduced inside, the shrinking, and the clear body between the non-necrotic area and the necrotic area. This is the causes for this is gangrene. Should we expect problems with the blood supply? The blood supply stop. It is infarction. Indeed, according to the cause, it's infarction, but has contact with the open air and transformed to the more black color called gangrene. Bacteria absent in this case, because if bacteria present, the non-dry gangrene, this is gangrene will be wet gangrene. And patient who has diabetes mellitus maybe has more frequently wet gangrene. Wet gangrene due to the foot wet gangrene, possible due to temperature, also if non-sterile, and also if treatment may be non-effective, and if bacteria progress, the gangrene can be wet gangrene. It can be start like as infarction, like as the coagulative necrosis, but if bacteria present, it can transform to the wet. And in the case of wet gangrene, become large, swelling, not clear body between the where bacteria present, bacteria absent, cannot find the place they will finish where started the normal tissue. Those. Why, if patient has gangrene, surgery need?
It doesn't spread.
No, doesn't spread because can be ate. The necrotic area is a good environment for bacteria, and also
To avoid bacteria.
no. In general, we have discussed after necrosis, the inflammation happened, and the inflammation should be destroyed necrotic mass, and in this is empty place start new cells growth. But if necrotic area bigger, the patient has a lot. This is toxins. This is waste.
Septicemia and then
Septicemia, it means present bacteria and blood and incorrect immune response together. And this is case intoxication. There's some toxins, but it's toxins not due to bacteria. This is toxins from necrotic debris, from necrotic degradation of proteins. And if patient has few area, small area of necrosis, maybe without general change. But if patient has big area of necrosis, the complete resolution can be fatal for the patient, because these toxins can destroy liver, can destroy kidney, and those patients can die due to other problems. not due to present necrosis, but due to organ failure because intoxication. Those, no, and this is example of caseous pneumonia in lungs, the grayish whitish area with separate to the small pieces. Yeah? Caseous necrosis, we said before, this is coagulative, subtype of coagulative necrosis. This is intermediate between coagulative and liquidative. Basically, it's more hard consistency to compare it with the ice cream, soft ice cream, but not hard like as waxy necrosis, not elastic. Can separate to the small pieces. No, and this is specimen show the small pieces. No, something. No, this is the same change. Well, no, early stage. The necrosis whitish area. This is jaw, lungs, respiratory system, and same change into the lymph nodes and same change into the lungs due to mycobacterial tuberculosis. Well, later when we study the mycobacterial tuberculosis, we will to dig into this specimen. Do you have questions?